What's going on, everybody? We're going to take a little look at Nvidia here. Nvidia coming off three extended and dramatic days of selling, currently trading under $200, 195. We were down another 3.5% today. I did have a level in the Discord. By the way, if you guys are interested in day trading or learning how to trade the open, the first 1 to 2 hours of the day, you're looking for a strategy that you can use each and every single day, kind of identify that setup and take part in a trade or two each and every single morning if it presents itself. I have a free video course down in the description box below. It's the first link. Check it out. With that being said, this level was called out in the Discord, this $200 area, big psychological area. The reason being, I was looking at this area, if we kind of look back here to last year, between 7 and September, so between June and around September time, we were kind of really chopping around here, acting as an area of resistance. We did break above it, and when we broke above this area here, this $200 area, we did come back and back test a month later, right? So a few weeks later, we did come back to back test this area, and this is an area that really held and then really propelled Nvidia up to $346. If you guys did take part in that trade, congratulations. And I hope you guys took profits and are not still holding when this price ran all the way up here to the 346. So with that being said, we have been on a slow, decline with, just a few weeks ago. I think it's running on 3 weeks now. 3 weeks ago, we had that 2.5 week rally here off this, kind of triple, quadruple bottom that we had here. If you can kind of see, if I put a little box here so you guys can kind of see it a little bit better. But if you remember this time frame here, when we kind of touched it here, and then we exploded, we took out this prior consolidation price action here, and then really tried to get into the upper channel to start testing the top of the range here. And then when we seen that little bit of indecision, change of direction candle, I really started to let people know that, this is time to maybe, take your foot off of the gas when it comes to buying long. This was also the time that the triple Qs tested the 200-day moving average and were rejected. With that being said, we have just been on a slippery slope here. It looked like, last week and in the middle of this week, Nvidia was really trading sideways along with a lot of tech stocks and stocks that are in the NASDAQ 100. Tested the triple Qs 50-day moving average multiple times, were rejected each and every single time. And then when we finally broke through this consolidation yesterday, we just had a day two continuation on this through the 200. So what I'm trying to say here is that we have broken this prior resistance, this prior support, and we've already lost, kind of this big consolidation accumulation period that we had here, just going back a couple of months ago to the beginning of the year. So what does that necessarily mean? I think that potentially Nvidia has more room down. I think that we could see 190, maybe even 180s. It's not like I have a crystal ball and I know that it's going there. It's just based off the technical analysis and where I could see us landing. I do think that the triple Qs as well as tech stocks still have maybe 1 or 2 days left of selling before we see some sort of significant or anything worthwhile worth of a dead cat bounce. And if we do get a dead cat bounce, that 200 area is now going to act as a level of resistance. So just because we get 1-2 days worth of green on a stock like Nvidia doesn't mean to start telling everybody in the world and on social media that's the bottom, it's time to buy, load up, sell your home, take out, refinance your house, take out a loan to invest everything in these stocks because it's the bottom. Do not do that, because if we do dead cat into 200 and even $210, now I thought Nvidia had a potential for a dead cat bounce today into that 210, 208 area, did not come. But what I'm trying to say is that if we do have 1 or 2 days more worth of selling and we do dead cat back into 200, look for an area of resistance there. If we get above that, look for 210 as an area of resistance. And if Nvidia starts to reject those two price zones and we do start to roll through that $200 area again, you can take your shot at another short position. I hope this video helps. If you guys are interested in learning how to day trade and you guys are looking for a strategy, I have put together a 30-minute video course showing you guys how to trade the open like a boss. What does that mean? Come into the market the first 1 and 2 hours, look for 1 to 2 setups that are going to be highly profitable. and profit and walk away. Shut your computer screen down. There's no need to sit here for hours and hours on end looking to trade 20, 30, 40, 50 times in a day. It only takes one trade to make your day. Hell, it only takes one trade to make your week. With that being said, guys, God bless everybody. I hope you guys all enjoy your weekend. I will see you guys all in the next video.